Hi, today is June 14th and we had our third grade Flag Day program. The kids worked really hard learning many different patriotic songs and included American Sign Language with several of the songs. They performed for our second grade, fourth grade, and all the staff and faculty, and I think they did an amazing job with the whole program. Thank you so much to Mr. Fenton and Mr. DePalma for helping prepare their third grade classes for this program. Thank you to Mrs. C for accompanying us on the piano, and thank you to the custodial staff for helping set up.